Welcome to 73 Stonehenge in Fairview, Texas. This incredible home has 5,613 square feet, and it's on a little over an acre and a half. This fabulous home has 6 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and a custom office space. One of the best features about this home is this totally updated kitchen. What a dream. Game nights start right here in this super cool, oversized game room. This multi-purpose room is the star of the home. This could be your workshop, your home gym, your hockey workout area. Outside, you'll find the perfect place for entertaining. We have a heated diving pool, and just over my shoulder here, a gas fire pit for gazing at the stars with friends. Thanks so much for touring 73 Stonehenge in Fairview, Texas with us today. We would love for you to make this house your home.